dwelling fit for all your family's needs. A place of joy, a place of comfort, a home to call your own. Experience easier city living at Ellery Place. Strategically placed near residential and commercial streets like Cameos Road, Aurora Boulevard, and EDSA. This accessible yet pristine address will allow you to be part of the great neighborhood. Enjoy a comfortable 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms unit that comes with a great sized area for living, dining and kitchen, and 2 carports. For utmost comfort, Ellery Place also offers a rock garden, a service area, health room, balconies, and walk-in closets with lots of storage. Enter your new comfort place in the metropolis with each unit designed with contemporary flair. Provide your family a durable and comfortable home. Make the most out of modern living at Ellery Place and experience all the possibilities. A place you will be proud to call home. Quality materials, excellent craftsmanship, and a design that lets the place flourish according to the needs of a growing family are the hallmarks of each Transville real estate townhome. Proposing our stunning hotel-furnished 3-story townhouse unit for sale in East Camias, Quezon City, with a unit specifications of 268 square meters in floor area, 100 square meters in lot area. It has 3 bedrooms, master's bedroom with walk-in closet, 3 toilet and bath plus powder room, open living, dining and kitchen, dirty kitchen, service area, pocket garden, balconies, and 2 tandem carport. Our unit special features are built-in modular cabinet in all bedrooms, built-in split-type air conditions in all bedrooms, water heater in all toilet and bath, audio-visual intercom system, remote-controlled gate, water pump, vertical garden in all balconies, burglar alarm, fire water sprinkler, smoke detector, electric fence, digital automatic door lock, emergency escape, and fire escape. It's easy to find the right place when you know the right people. Start your search today. We know where to find the best townhouses in the metro. Unit viewing is strictly by appointment due to the pandemic. Book a tripping with us now by calling RSVPRB. For more affordable townhomes listing in Metro Manila, visit us at Facebook page I Have 99 Properties or Townhomes Space MNL. Hashtag taking comfort in home living to profound new heights.